I woke up Friday morning, Shane MacGowan had passed, and I was immediately consumed with emotion, and it wasn't just sadness because it was sort of expected, but it was shock at the same time. And I realised that without the Pogues, that ramshackle, rowdy noise, I wouldn't have written half of these songs. Which some of you might say, well, that'd be okay. But for me, that'd be trust. And we couldn't not mark the occasion without playing a Pogue song. They're notoriously tricky. We don't have a tin whistle. We don't have an accordion. But
I've got a tin whistle,
got a tin here.
But we do know a rainy night in Soho.
Oh. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 2. I've been loving you such a long time. Down all the years, down all the days. And I've cried for all your troubles, smiled at your funny little ways. We watched our friends grow up together, and we saw them as they fell. Some of them fell into heaven, and some of them fell into hell. I took shelter from a shower, and I stepped into your arms. On a rainy night in Soho, the wind was whistling all its charms, and I sang you all my sorrows. You told me all your joy. Whatever happened to those old songs, to those little girls and boys? Sometimes I wake up in the morning, that ginger lady by my bed, covered in a cloak of silence. I hear you talking in my head. I'm not talking what it means. Still there's a light I hold before me. You're the measure of my dreams, the measure of my dreams. So there's a 16-year-old kid in his bedroom late at night down there in the Western District. He's tuning in his wireless because on a clear night you can just pick up Triple J. So yeah. And one fortunate night, there was a J-Files on the Smiths. And the first Smiths song I ever heard was Half a Person. And it changed my whole attitude. And it led me down a deep wormhole. And I didn't stop listening to Cold Chisel. But I did start listening to the Smiths and the Pogues. So thank you, Shane. Thank you for saving that kid. Thank you for the music. It's called Small Towns.